Okay, welcome to my next video. Today I will show you how you can fix and connect cables in your car easily and with not a big effort. And especially when you have a problem like I have, because my cable was hanging around, like you can see here. Not too much, or I thought not too much, but it was too much. So on my way after my trip from Melbourne to Canberra, I had the problem. I went to my car the other day and opened it and saw that the lights in the bull bar didn't work, so my indicator and my parking light. So I thought, oh, what's wrong there? What's the matter? Then I took a look for the cable and I saw that the cable is very much damaged. So this one is hanging around, this one is hanging around, this one is already almost done. And I have to fix that one, so I have no connections anymore, so I will cut it here and here, put the isolation away and connect it. And how I connect this cable that it's safe and waterproof is what I will show you at next. Okay, here's step number 1 to connect cables safe together, waterproof and stable. Unisolate two cable, or the both sides of the cable. Put some shrink tube over the cable, then push this two ends of the cable together, like this one. Fix it with in a clamp if you need to. Then take the soldering iron, the solder, heat it up, put some solder on top and go around to make a solid and good connection, that it won't fall apart or anything like that. Do it on both sides and round around. Here. It's not too difficult if you have the tools at home. So when you're finished, let it dry. Then it should look like here. So then put the shrink tube on top. Heat it up with a lighter. Heat it up with a lighter or heat gun or anything like that. Like you can see here, it's pretty easy. So now it's done. That's the first connection. It's waterproof, rust-proof, and pretty safe. Shouldn't won't fall apart. Strong. Won't take much room. So that's number 1, and I will show you 2 more versions. Another safe way to connect cable, and very easy way, so when you are on the move, so on a road trip or off-road or somewhere else where you have not so many tools or things which you can take to help yourself, then you can take these handy things. They are called solder sleeves. They are similar to the shrink tube and the solder, but it's all in one, so it's very easy. And you need just a lighter or something to heat them up and to let the solder in the middle melt. So unisolate both sides of the cable again. Put one in the other side and the other one in the other side. Push them together again, and then you see they're stuck together. So then you need a heating gun again, or a lighter. Depends what you have. Probably a lighter. That's the easiest way. Or you can also take the gas cooker. Doesn't matter. So heat it up all around it. You see it will melt and go lay around the cables. let it cool down, and then you're done. That's pretty easy to handle. Very good on the off-road or somewhere else. It's also very safe, and you don't need anything else. Yeah, they cost a bit more, I reckon, than some other versions, but it's very, very easy. How you can see, and you can do it everywhere. And yeah, it's pretty safe. That's number 2, how you can connect the cable very safe. Another good way, if you're not sure that you want to have the cable always connected, or if you think maybe you want to connect something else with the cable, or you need to unplug it because it's the light of the bulb or anything else, then you can also take this kind of plugs. They're pretty good. Just put them in, and if you have this clamp, it's very easy. You have only to choose the right color. Here it's the blue one. Put this one in and press it to the end, open it, and it's done. So then you can do the same on the other side. And if you want to have it waterproof and protected against other metal surfaces, so don't want to have sparks or anything like that, you can put a shrink tube on top again, or isolation tape, it doesn't matter. So then you can plug them together, and they have a very strong connection and a good contact, so they are very useful, very common in the automobile stuff, so very often used. Now you can put isolation tape around or the shrink tube, heat it up, and everything is fine. And if you need to, you can unplug them or make an adapter and like a T, yeah, the same again with an and put something between or connect something with it, so cigarette socket or anything like that, and you're good to go. And the other thing is, you can also have the solder sleeve to press together with this crimp. That's pretty good in different sizes, like the solder sleeves. So I also like the solder thing. You press them together, and on both sides, left and right side. I don't have one here, unfortunately. So press them together, and then heat both ends up, and they are also waterproof and very, very good and strong connected. So that's also a thing what you can do. So if you have to decide what you want to do. I would prefer this one because they are so easy to handle, and you only need a lighter or gas cooking station or anything like that, something to heat it up, heating gun, or whatever, anything what heats up and has a flame or where heat comes out, and then connect it and everything is fine. So that's 3 ways to connect cable, very safe, strong, and with a good connection, and which should last for a long time. The thing is, with this one, they need a lot of room or more room instead of this ones. The solder sleeves, when you take the solder sleeves, they are much more handy, they are much more smaller. So if you have 3 cables or something, you can use this one as or 3 wire, use this one, then put all together, put the isolation tape around, and it will look pretty good and won't take too much room instead of this ones. But it depends what you want to and what you like and what you have at home, but that is how I would make it. And yeah, good luck. I will repair now my car connection problems with my lights of the bull bar with the solder sleeves, and I wish you a lot of success and have fun, and hope your stuff will work afterwards as well.